birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Romel, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, and I know nasa bandang late 30s ka na or 40s ka na nga ba. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to kasi you are with your family, and I hope you still continue to be a good father and a good foundation to your family. And I hope maging masaya ka sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa buhay and yung ministry mo sa simbahan. Yun lang bilang yung bunsong kapatid. Enjoy your day and happy birthday!
Hi Romel, happy birthday! October na naman. Ang prayer ko lang for you is God's word in Deuteronomy 31:6. It says, "Be strong and courageous. Don't be afraid and be terrified of them, for the Lord your God who goes with you will never leave you nor forsake you." Medyo mahirap maging magulang, mahirap maging isang individual ngayong panahon na to ng pandemic. So, we just have to step up, medyo mas sipagan pa, mas maging matapang pa, at mas maging matatag pa. Mahirap talaga lahat-lahat ng bagay sa panahon na to. But with God, with us, lahat-lahat to kakayanin natin. So, just be strong, take courage, and trust in the Lord always. God bless. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Love you. Sana lakas ka. Ikaw yung best daddy in the world. Love you.